everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into OneMain Financial account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for onemainfinancial.com. Then you will be directed to the official website of OneMain Financial. On the right side, you will see login button. Click on it. Then your login page will be open. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account. Here you have to enter your email address and password. Let's enter our email address. Then enter your password. Now click on this button to verify you trust this device. If you do not remember your email or password, then you can just click on Forget Password or Forget Username option available here. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, at last click on Sign In button to log into your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.